Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing Scratch and your microphone so the capture is clean. Open your project and go to the Sound tab. Make sure you select or create the sprite that will use the audio. Once done, test the microphone in your system settings and adjust input level to avoid clipping. Lower gain if peaks reach red. Then click the record button inside Scratch and type a clear name for the sound so you can find it quickly later. You should use a consistent technique to get an even recording. Position the mic about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and use a pop filter or soft cloth to reduce popping. This improves clarity. Press record, give a quick count-in if it helps timing, and speak at a steady pace. Stop when you hear a short silent gap so trimming is easier. Make sure to trim silence and apply normalize or short fade effects in Scratch to even out levels without introducing noise. You finish by inserting and testing the sound inside your project to confirm timing and volume. Use play sound blocks and run the project. If it's too loud or quiet, adjust the volume block or re-record with a lower or higher gain. If you hear background noise, try a shorter recording distance or a quieter room. Once done, retrim and normalize. If problems persist, check your operating system's mic input, restart Scratch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.